Eureka, 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 Eureka!
I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
In this video, we will safely demonstrate the reaction of water in a test tube with a small piece of a reactive metal, sodium, potassium, or calcium. We will observe two key things. 1, hydrogen gas bubbles evolving, and 2, the formation of a metallic hydroxide at the bottom for calcium. Always follow proper laboratory safety. Wear safety goggles and gloves, use small pieces of metal, and perform the reaction in a controlled lab setting with adult or instructor supervision. First, we set up. Take some water in a clean test tube. We will use this as our reaction vessel. Carefully place a very small piece of sodium or potassium into the water. These metals are less dense than water, so they tend to float and skitter across the surface. You will quickly observe bubbles of hydrogen gas forming at the metal and rising through the water. The metal also forms a hydroxide, for example, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, which dissolves in the water. Let's visualize this and write the reaction for sodium as an example. 2 sodium plus 2 water gives 2 sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Now, place a very small piece of calcium metal into the water. Calcium is denser than water, so it sinks to the bottom. You will still see bubbles of hydrogen gas, but now a whitish calcium hydroxide forms and collects near the bottom of the test tube. The reaction is calcium plus 2 water gives calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Summary: place a small piece of sodium, potassium, or calcium into water in a test tube. Observe hydrogen gas bubbles forming in every case. For sodium and potassium, the hydroxide dissolves in water. For calcium, a whitish calcium hydroxide solid can collect near the bottom. These observations match the chemical equations shown. End of demonstration.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.